For the next few minutes, I'd like to introduce you to the Game Plan for Living. I'll share with you what it is, what makes it so powerful, and how it can help your organization. The platform and its content are based on more than 25 years of consulting with some of the largest companies in the country. During this time, we have created an abundance of content that is now available in one location to everyone in your organization 24/7, 365 via computers, tablets, and smartphones, and all at an amazingly low price. There is a portion of the platform that focuses on health and wellness, or what we call human maintenance, and this material is available to everyone. There are 12 different sections that focus on everything from general health and wellness to sleep, nutrition, ergonomics, and much, much more. We even have complete programs designed specifically for employees who work in the trucking, bus, and EMS fields. Got an aging workforce? The system includes the Game Plan for Aging program that has helped countless companies attack this issue. The platform is packed with content that is packaged and presented in a way that is designed to educate and motivate. There's more. We've included an entire section specifically for managers and supervisors. It offers time-tested strategies for creating and sustaining effective safety and health programs. Topics in this area include effective safety training, back injury prevention, stretching and warm-up programs, introducing change, and much more. These are the same strategies that are being used in numerous Fortune 500 companies, and they are now available to all of your managers and supervisors whenever and wherever they need it. What makes the Game